Located at Red Cross Industrial Park at Namakwa village in Mukono district, the commissioned factory will see Red Cross produce 200,000 sanitary pads annually, while 80% of these will be sold at a subsidized price. 20% will be donated to vulnerable girls across the country to improve their sanitary hygiene. It is reported that there are over 5 million school-going girls in Uganda who can't access sanitary towels.
Now, we know there are other players in the market, but for us, our target is to make sure that every girl in that population I've mentioned who needs a pad really gets it.
And we decided to make them reusable sanitary pads on the basis that for one pack of the pads, which will allow the girl to use these for 1 year. So they're reusable, they can be washed, and of course, they allow the girl to go to school.
25 girls are employed in this factory. Each of these has capacity to produce about 40 pads per day. According to the Uganda Red Cross Society Secretary General, this production will see sustainable approach to challenges of menstrual hygiene in schools across the country.
Every day a new born child is being born, and it is always going to be there anyway. So to cut that kind of non-sustainability mechanism is then go into manufacturing. Then you are assured of supplies, and then you can control the prices, and also you can be able to reach out to those who cannot meet the cost of the pads.
According to reports, a number of girls lose up to 18% of their academic time because of menstrual difficulties. The Ministry of Education thinks it is imperative that students learn about this subject to reduce stigma.
We need to provide information. We need our children to know that it's very important that menstrual hygiene is addressed and can be able to support each other to manage it with dignity.
The factory will not just focus on menstrual hygiene, but also skilling. Many of the girls have been trained in this place how to make these sanitary pads. Kwesiga believes this is a long way to go in improving their standards of life.
The whole thing, and that's why we are not even automating, is we create opportunities and income for ladies. We could have automated it, but then you cut them out of that. So you create skills, you create employment opportunities, but also you create income for them.
Manufacturing, of course, also allows employment. It allows to build skills, and it provides a product. And the girls here learn everything from start to the finish of the whole process of the manufacturing. So it gives them an income, it gives them a career, and it allows them to train other girls and women to do more things as well.
These, however, hope many other manufacturing industries will come on board to improve the sector. Some of the material used here are being imported. Kwesiga hopes that such materials are made locally, which he believes is vital in expanding the local market.
We are entering into partnerships with the Ugandan industries that are producing these products that we need, these raw materials we need, such that whatever we do, unless we can't avoid it, should be locally generated, because then it goes into the economy and you know the multiplier effect of that. Located
in central Uganda, many girls will be hoping such initiatives can be taken to their places to see them benefit. The Uganda Red Cross Society spokesperson Irene Nakasita says this is subject to availability of funds.
We have 51 branches in the country, and we desire to grow and reach there. At least we can start with regions. We can have one in eastern, central, northern, southern, like that. But for starters, with our initial capital, we've established here, but we desire to grow and establish centers in other parts of the country.
Well, we're hoping this is just a starting point, and we can do much more around this facility with other partners that, who are corporates, public sector as well, to try and build this whole facility.
Seated on 25 acres of land, the industrial park is also set to host a first aid training institute, a paramedical school, a recreational center, among other things. RAMSON, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.